chicken or fish or egg or whatever. So the taco tag. So what happens is you have the fish or the chicken or the pig wrapped in the taco, and those people are it. And so you come right into the middle kind of area if you're playing, and then as you tag the person, so I used to do this a lot, but then you get really good at it, so you need to reduce the space. So as you tag someone, so if you just demonstrate, come out, and you tag someone, you sneak attack from behind, you just drop the taco, and then you can take off, and I have to reassemble my taco, and now I'm it. Do you get it? It's a good one, eh? Do I make you?